In this video, I'll show you how to set up fixed product recommendations in your quiz using the RevenueHunt app. Once you're happy with your quiz design in the questions area, head over to the Results Pages section. There, add a new section or open an existing one where you want the fixed recommendations to appear. Inside that section, make sure you have a Products block. Open the Product block settings, and under Recommendation System, select Fixed Recommendations. This option ensures that the same products will always appear on the results page, regardless of the customer's answers. After you enable Fixed Recommendations, you'll see a new field called Fixed Recommended Items. Click Add, and choose what type of item you want to show. It can be a specific product, collection, tag, variant, or vendor. In this example, I'll select a few products that I always want displayed in this slot. Next, adjust the max recommended items value. For example, if you set it to 3 and have 3 fixed products added, they'll appear in the exact order you added them, meaning the first product will always appear first, the second one second, and so on. Once you're happy with your fixed recommendations, click Save in the top right corner. Then, preview your quiz to confirm that the recommendations display correctly on the results page. And that's it. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.